Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to show you a beautiful hand embroidery on an outline stitch. For the outline stitch, a different combination of stitches that we are using here. Before going to in detail, I would like to tell about the thread that I am using here. For that, first one is a mixed color of orange and white, and the second one is a green in color. The both are in Anchor branded, and the green number code is 0889, and the orange number code is 0315. So first here I am using a back stitch. For the using the back stitch, it's a beginner stitch, so anyone can do it very easily. For doing the back stitch, from a needle and a thread from down of the fabric to go upside, go little front, come back, go downside. So this is the first straight stitch. After that, under the fabric should go a little front, go upside. So the needle and thread is in the upper side of the fabric, move backward and come to the same stitch, same prick that we done here. So like that we should repeatedly do the same thing, and we'll reach the will continue with the full petals of the flower. Next we will do with the whipped backstitch. For that I'm taking the needle and thread from down part of the one of the back stitch. We should go upside and we should wrap each of the back stitch with the new set of thread. So each back stitch we are rotating, we are wrap with the another thread, so that is called whipped stitch. So it will give a proper shape for the flower petals or any pictures. For doing the doll pictures, for writing the letters and all, we are using this whipped back stitch for getting the proper shape of the figure. Next, for doing the center of the flower, I am using a violet or purple color. For that, I am using the same anchor thread 6 strands with the number of 0100 in number. So here I am using the French knot. First I am doing the French knot, and after that we'll go to the piston stitch. For doing the piston stitch, first we should prick from underside of the fabric, go upside, move a little front, and we should wrap the needle around with the thread, and we should pierce it down. So there we should stick it. Next we'll go to the stem of the flower. For that I'm using the green anchor thread. Its number is 0889. I'm using the couching easy method of stem, that is couching stitch. For that we are doing the first we'll do a straight stitch, and in between we should tuck the straight stitch with the other thread, the same color thread. So like that we should fill the stem, and after doing the stem we should go for the leaf. We are using the same thread 6 stranded. For that I am using the, for doing the leaf I am using the piston stitch. For piston stitch, first we should prick from the downside of the fabric to go upside, move a little front. After that, like a French knot, we should wrap around the needle with the thread, and we should pick the upside of the fabric to down, and we should pull it back up. So same thing, we for doing the leaf we are doing the from the center of the leaf, and we should do the same French knot to the both side of the leaf. So like that we should fill the both leaves. So these all are the technique that I am using in this embroidery. Hope you are enjoying. If you are enjoying it, please like, share, subscribe, and please comment my channel. If you are interested this type of video, and if you are feeling something less or lacking in this video also, that you can comment. I will try to improve myself. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.